Look what happened to my corn. So we've been getting rain all day long and the corn has been looking great, but I think the soil has gotten a little too wet. And obviously corn does not have very good root system, so it wasn't in the ground very much. So I'm going to try to save it. All right, so what we're gonna do to try and fix my corn is I'm gonna get some of this wood chips, okay, and some dirt, and I'm gonna try to prop up the corn, as well as put some stakes in there, because I did not work this hard on that corn to make it go to waste. We are saving that corn. What kind of snake is that? Is it dead? Nope. It almost looks like a copperhead. Which is good. What the heck happened here? Did you do that?
No, the wind did it yesterday.
What?
Yes.
How is that possible?
They're not very...
Well,
so I need you to come over here and hold these up. Just hold a bunch up. And this... No. You have to do it slow so you don't break them. One at a time. They're fragile. So... So I need you to hold these. I'm going to put some dirt under it. Okay. So hold them like this. So we took romaine lettuce out right here. So I'm going to use this dirt and put it there for support.
what's going to be there?
Nothing's going to be there. I got to get more dirt. Did that help?
No.
Hold on. I'm going to get down. Thanks for helping me. This one, the stalk broke. It's dead. So I'm just going to pull it out.
Put it in your compost.
That's a great idea.
Or did you not think
Hold
of
it
that?
up. No, did. I need these standing up. right, you hold them.
You want me to hold them?
Sure.
Okay.
You need me to get this dirt?
Yeah, the dirt. I just need a couple.
So why'd you take out the lid?
It was done.
Ooh, look at mine.
Seems to be helping. But we have more rain coming. That's the horrible part about it. I mean, rain is good for my pasture and I need it. But I'm like, the corn doesn't need it right now because the ground is too wet. So hopefully, I know putting wood chips on there holds in the moisture. But I just need something more for support. All right, so we've taken from this used to be the romaine lettuce and the peas. The peas are done. They were dying. And right now I'm just worried about my corn. I don't want it dying. So Isaiah is helping me, trying to stand it up, give it some stability. And we'll
Trying to.
pray to God that it fixes it and they don't die on us.
Is that good?
Yeah. No, put another one in. All right, guys, here it is. I've stood it back up. We have lost 10% probably of the corn from breakage. You can see I pulled it out. There was no point in leaving it there. So cross our fingers that it withholds wind. So I'll show you what I did, okay? We took the dirt from here and we put it in here, all around it, pressed it down really good. And then I went ahead and put some wood chips in there. I know it does not look very pretty right now. And that one was broken. Actually, it was fine. So it doesn't look pretty, but I hope we can still get some yield from it. I was very devastated about this whole thing, but if this can hold it, I will be very happy. And if you can't see the clouds there, it looks like there's a storm coming in. We heard thunder.
And it started to sprinkle a bit.
And it sprinkled on us a little bit. The corn has actually grown since we have put them back up. That one over there has probably grown a foot, that tall one. And when I was putting them up, I did not notice any ears of corn. So I didn't know it was any ears of corn with silky stuff on it. So coming in here today, look what I found. There's an ear of corn starting there with this. It's a nice, beautiful, windy day. And how they get pollinated is by these things falling down onto the silk. That's how it happens. But it's almost too windy right now. It's going that way. So off camera, what I did was I took a few of these and I just kind of let them fall into the silk from the leaf so that they're in there. So looks like the corn is gonna make it. I'm so excited.